Come join me for an afternoon high tea and lunch in Miami, Florida. We decided to do something different today, so we went to have afternoon high tea and lunch at the Tea Room restaurant in Miami, Florida. This restaurant is full of charm with its different types of teapots, china, and all the eclectic decor. Just take a look at all the different chandeliers. Just the decor is an experience at this restaurant. The high tea experience started off with your choice of soup. I chose the mushroom soup. To me, this mushroom soup seemed a little too thick. The taste was not bad, but it was a bit salty. So then I decided to give the other soup a try, the split pea soup. This soup was hot, had the right amount of salt, and it was tasty. Finally, the star of the show arrived, the high tea mini sandwiches, quiches, scones, and cakes. It was so pretty you almost didn't want to eat it. I said almost. First, I tried the traditional cucumber and cream cheese sandwich. It was so delicious, so yummy. One more, please. Then came the mini quiche Lorraine. I'm a quiche lover, but this one was a bit undercooked and bland. Then I had the lobster and shrimp salad on cucumber. It was amazing. So tasty with just the right amount of mayo and seasoning. Oh my God, it was so yummy. Now we have the prosciutto, Swiss cheese, tomato, and pesto sandwich. It was so good. It was fresh, full of basil, and very, very tasty. Next came the cranberry walnut chicken salad on a biscuit. The chicken salad with cranberries and walnuts was excellent, but the biscuit fell a little flat because it was dry. Up next is the spinach and goat cheese quiche. Again, I found that this quiche also had an undercooked crust and was not too tasty. Okay, time for some tea. I had my fill of caffeine this morning, so I decided on the herbal lavender tea. The teapot was so cute. The tea was super hot and delicious. Cheers! Whew, it was so hot I had to blow on it before I drank it, but it was really, really good. They had some honey on the table, so I decided to put some of that honey in my tea. I didn't put too much because I don't like my drinks very sweet. I tasted it and wow, it was perfect. I moved on to the egg salad sandwich. This sandwich was creamy and tasty. It was perfect for my tea. I had a bite of my sandwich and a sip of my tea, and I was in heaven. Next came the prosciutto and cheese sandwich. It was so pretty and so good. I took a bite and I was like, whoa, this is delicious. This was my favorite sandwich. And I love black olives, super yummy. Then I had the cheddar and herb scone. I thought it would taste like the Red Lobster cheddar baked biscuits, but it was not even close. The biscuit was dry and not too tasty. Maybe if I add some honey to it, it'll taste less dry. Let's see how that tastes. So I grabbed the honey, I put some honey on it, and took a bite, and it was pretty good. It was a game changer. Drum roll, please. It's time for everyone's favorite part, the dessert. They all look so beautiful. First, I had the banana bread bite with strawberry topping. It was delicious and sweet. Wait, it's time for a water break. I need a palate cleanser. Next, I had the blueberry scone. It looked really yummy with a lot of blueberries popping out. I must say it was really pretty. The scone was good and had a lot of blueberry flavor. Next, I had something that looked like a cookie with granulated sugar on top. I'm not sure what kind of cookie this was or if it was a cookie at all. All I know is that it had crispy edges and it was so delicious. This was my favorite dessert. I grabbed my tea, ate my cookie, took a sip of my tea, and wow, it was the perfect combination. Then I had the strawberry shortcake. It was so pretty and looked so creamy. And guess what? It was creamy. The strawberry mousse and whipped cream on top was not too sweet, and the cake at the bottom was very tasty. Next, I had the key lime tart. I was really excited to try this. I tried it and I felt like it needed more key lime flavor. I live in Florida, so I know what key lime flavor is, and it really did need more key lime flavor. I did try the whipped topping and I thought it was super yummy. I was super full, but I had to try the last thing, which was the strawberry mousse. I thought it needed more strawberry flavor. I would have preferred chocolate. I was actually in shock they didn't have chocolate offerings. This beautiful peacock greeted me on my way out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.